andito na yung Vios na linagyan natin nung Tech 4. So, i-tune natin siya. Tingnan natin kung ilan yung magiging power. Explain ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung mga linagay ng owner sa engine. Naka-headers na siya. 4:1 to. And then, nitro fuse na intake system. Cold air intake na rin siya. And strut bars also, wala naman yun gains, pero ayan yung engine bay niya. So we're done, tapos na tayo. We started with 76 horsepower and 113 Newton meters, and we ended up with 100, almost 100, 99.74 and 138 Newton meters of torque. Tignan nyo yung difference ng power before. Yan, sobrang laki niyan for a gas NA car. So we're done, it's flaming, it's popping. Kung gusto ninyo, contact us at our page, Facebook, Instagram, or call us at 0906-214-0208.